Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate destination for deep dives into the world of cars, old, new, and everything in between. Today we have something truly special for vintage lovers and modern-day enthusiasts alike. We're talking about the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Edition, a stunning tribute to one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, now reimagined for the future. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Vintage blends the classic curves and charm of the original Beetle with the latest in modern engineering and electric innovation. That's right, Volkswagen has brought back the Beetle as a retro-styled electric vehicle, capturing the nostalgic spirit while embracing the future of sustainable driving. At first glance, it looks like a trip back in time. From the round headlights to the distinctive fenders and smooth lines, this Beetle proudly honors its legendary heritage, but a closer look reveals LED lighting, flush door handles, and ultra-sleek aerodynamics that bring it firmly into the 21st century. Underneath the vintage skin, the 2026 Beetle rides on Volkswagen's modern MEB platform, the same electric foundation used for their ID lineup. The result? Zero emissions, whisper-quiet driving, and quick acceleration. The electric motor delivers around 200 horsepower, making it surprisingly zippy in urban traffic and even highway conditions. With a range of up to 250 miles on a full charge, it's both practical and efficient, and supports fast charging that gets you to 80% in under 30 minutes. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a retro lounge blended with futuristic tech. The dashboard features a mix of analog-inspired styling with modern digital screens. The steering wheel and toggle switches carry vintage flair, while a central touchscreen controls infotainment, climate, and navigation with ease. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control all come standard. Premium materials, two-tone leather, seats, and ambient lighting create a welcoming vibe that's both classy and cool. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The 2026 Beetle comes loaded with Volkswagen's latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. It's designed for peace of mind on both city streets and long scenic drives. Driving the 2026 Beetle is an experience that mixes charm with modern-day convenience. It's not the fastest EV on the market, but it's definitely one of the most emotionally engaging. It handles well, feels nimble, and draws attention wherever it goes. People smile, wave, and take photos. It's a car that sparks conversation and memories. So whether you're a longtime Beetle lover or a new fan of electric vehicles, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Edition is a beautiful bridge between past and future. It's Volkswagen's love letter to the original, now ready for a new generation of drivers. Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible automotive stories every week. Until next time, stay ready and keep riding.